I read the question on the screen. Then see, think how you can do this question. Question is for integration of 1 by fourth root of x minus 1 whole cube x plus 2 whole 5. Okay, dx. So how to solve this question? Think. See, first step, now do one thing, remove this fourth power, okay, directly in terms of power. So if you remove in terms of power, so what will come? What will come? Can you write this one as 1 by x minus 1 uh, 3 by 4, clear, into x plus 2, clear, 5 by 4 dx. Clear? Tell me, yes or no? Clear? Oh sir, no problem sir, no problem sir, no problem. Now do one thing, divide by x minus 1 here, here. Why? Wait and watch. See, 1 divided by, I am taking this term here, so x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 power 4 by 5 by 4 totally. It means I had divided by the term x minus 1 pi by 4. Okay, here I have x minus 1 5 by 4, but in reality I have x minus 1 3 by 4. Clear? So what we need to do? We need to multiply here x minus 1 power what? Power what? Tell me. Here I had done 5 by 4. Okay, and here we have only 3 by 4. Clear? So what can we say? This you are dividing by x minus 1 5 by 4, so you will also multiply by x minus 1 5 by 4, and already this one. So can you say this one as 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4? Understood? Clear? Tell me. Because I divided by x minus 1 5 by 4, so I multiplied it by here, and already x minus 1 power 3 by 4, so addition of power in multiplication. Clear? Okay sir, no issue. dx. Clear? Up to here step 2, step 1 and step 2 we followed. Now we can't say right now what I am going to do, but think, just think. Okay, in next step you will easily understand what I am going to do. Okay, so what I do, I am erasing the part of the question because I need option, yes or no, to match the correct answer. Clear? So see, what I do here, integration of 1 divided by, so tell me one thing, this is obviously x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 5 by 4. Clear? If we add sir this one, so this will be something somewhat okay, 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 5 plus 3 8 by 4 means 2 square, and this is dx. Now what I say, put x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 equal to t. You may think sir you are taking big risk sir, big risk. Okay, will I get dt here or not? Okay, that's why I am saying put and just check it, if you will not get, we will do something else. Okay, so see what I am doing here, x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 equal to t. Oh sir, so sir, if I want dt, so what will be dt sir? Dt will be somewhat okay, x minus 1 whole square. Clear? X minus 1 whole square, and here x minus 1 into 1, okay, minus x plus 2 into 1 again. So solve it sir. So this is what I'm solving, then I will write directly dt there. So what is this? X minus 1 minus x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole square, dx equal to dt. Clear? X cancel out, so minus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole square equal to dt. Clear? See in the options also 3. Okay, clear? So sir means you can replace now this one as minus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole square dx as dt. Clear? This is third concept of this question. Clear? Okay sir, no problem sir. So what do we do here? X minus 1 whole square already you have. So what to do here? Minus 3. I want minus 3 divided by that term now. So I am multiplying by minus 3 here and dividing by minus 3 here. Means this I can say like that. This and this option is totally wrong. Clear? Clear? Tell me. Yes or no? So what I am doing the steps so that you will easily understand. Okay, see what I do here, minus 3 integration of, I am multiplying by minus 3 here. So first I am writing here a1 by, this is what, t power 5 by 4, or I should write one more step. Okay, see, x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 5 by 4 into what, sir, minus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole square. Clear? Dx. Clear? Minus 3 by x minus 1 whole square dx. This is the term. Okay, this is the term. This is what, my student, dt. Clear? Dt. And this is what, t. So 1 by t power 5 by 4. Clear? And 1 by minus 3. Now I hope you understood the concept what I am doing. Okay, so now can I erase all this thing? Okay, because yeah, one more thing now. What I suppose in place of t, x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so in place of t, this term is totally t. Okay, so we can remember this. Okay, yeah, I am not erasing options because see, I eliminated the option. So I want to see again that is the eliminated option is okay, I eliminated correct or not. Yeah, see, obviously correct, but just for satisfaction, see here. So what I do here, this is what, 1 by minus 3. Okay, so now I am replacing everything. So 1 by, this is what, t power 5 by 4, and that is what, dt. Clear? Tell me. So now we can easily solve this integration. Now this integration is simple. Now any can solve this integration. Okay, up to here, if you know simple, you need to use your brain, then only you can solve the question. But now any student can solve this question afterwards if you are the student of JMINS. Clear? Okay, so 1 by minus 3, this will t power minus 5 by 4. So I am doing directly t power minus 5 by 4 plus 1 divided by minus 5 by 4 plus 1 and plus of some c. Clear? So now I can easily evaluate this. So this is what, minus 1 by minus 3. This is t power minus 5 by 4 plus 1, the minus 1 by 4 will come. Clear? So I am writing directly. So t power minus 1 by 4 and minus 5 by 4 plus 1, again minus 1 by 4 will come. Okay, clear? Okay, and plus c. So now I am substituting t. Okay, so I already told you. So remember, x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 equal to t. Clear? So now I am evaluating all this. Okay, so you 1 by minus 3 and 1 by 4. Clear? So if you 1 by minus 3 divided here, so 4 will go upside simply. Yes or no? So here 4 will go upside. So this is 4 by minus 3. Clear? 4 by minus 3. Okay, let's see. So what we do here, 4 by minus 3 and t is what, x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 power minus 1 by 4. Okay, okay, wait, x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 power of 5 by 4. Clear? Plus of c. Clear? Is it correct? No, not 5 by 4. No, it's minus 1 by 4. Okay, it's minus 1 by 4 here. Okay, so this minus 1 by 4. Clear? In option, if you observe the given in terms of power plus 1 by 4. So yes, you can write this as, okay, x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 power 1 by 4 easily. Clear? Clear? Tell me. So this is what, 4 by 3 x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. See, 4 by x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 power 1 by 4. We can do like this, no issue. So x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 power 1 by 4 plus c 4 by minus 3. So you can take minus common and send it to constant. Okay, so you can write 4 by 3. It's no issue. So this is the correct answer. We will go with third option. Clear? Tell me, clear? Clear? So I hope you understood the logic. okay, for solving the question. So if any question, okay, for J means mathematics comes in front of you, so you should approach question like this. Thank you.